Affirm versus ShopPay. Which is better? Today we will discuss about Affirm versus ShopPay. Which is better? Here is my honest opinion. As e-commerce continues to surge, buy now pay later services like Affirm and ShopPay have gained popularity among online shoppers. These payment options allow customers to make periodic payments instead of a single upfront payment for their purchases. While both Affirm and ShopPay offer similar services, they operate differently. In this comparison, we'll delve into Affirm versus ShopPay to help you make an informed choice for your online business. Affirm. Affirm is a standalone financial services provider that offers its own loan solutions, allowing customers to make flexible payments over time with no fees. The advantages of Affirm: offers customers flexible payment options, including longer installments up to 36 months and 4 interest-free payments every 2 weeks. Can help expand your customer base and increase average purchase values. The disadvantages of Affirm: customers may need to undergo a credit check, potentially limiting accessibility for some shoppers. ShopPay. ShopPay is a payment option offered by Shopify, designed to streamline the checkout process by saving shipping, billing, and credit card information for customers. The advantages of ShopPay: provides a convenient and efficient checkout experience, allowing customers to save up to 5 shipping addresses and credit cards. Sellers receive full upfront payments for transactions, even if customers choose to split payments into 4 equal installments with no interest or fees. The disadvantages of ShopPay: limited to merchants using the Shopify platform, which may not be suitable for businesses on other e-commerce platforms. Pricing of them. Affirm. Pricing may vary depending on the specific terms offered to customers, including installment length and interest rates. ShopPay. ShopPay does not charge customers interest or fees when they choose to split payments, but merchants using the Shopify platform may incur standard transaction processing fees. In conclusion, the choice between Affirm and ShopPay depends on your business's specific needs and customer base. Affirm offers flexible payment options, but may require credit checks, while ShopPay streamlines the checkout process and ensures upfront payments for sellers. Consider your target audience and e-commerce platform when deciding which payment option is better suited for your online business.